Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Children and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Then click Get Started and select Child or Teenager. Now click Next. Then click Add or Create account for your child and select Google. And now you have to enter your child's email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your child's password. And then click I agree. Now click More and then click Accept. And here select your account. Now you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your parent password. Now click on More. And here you have to enter your child's password again. Then click Next. And now you have to scroll down and click Next again. Then click Next. And here you can click Install Family Link or you can click Skip and then click Skip again. Now click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.